Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Ritu Stories. I hope all of you are safe and healthy sitting at home, and if you're not, then probably you are one of those incredible hard-working health workers. We are all grateful for you and we salute you for the contribution to us. So let's start with today's recipe. So today we are making one of my mother-in-law's recipes, which she calls it as the Bahari Omelette, or as I would like to call it, the Omelette Maggi. So let's dive into it. Maggies. You can even add noodles, that's completely up to you. And other than that, we will be needing some onions, a little pinch of salt, 3 eggs, some white oil. I have taken some grated carrot and some dhania and 1 chili. So you can add whatever vegetables you want, like capsicum, anything you have, beetroots, whatever you want. And if you are adding like noodles, so then you need to add some chili and some jeera powder also. So let's first we will be adding some water. So we just need to half boil the noodles or the Maggi, whatever is available to you. And we cannot let the noodles like stick to each other. So for that we will be adding a little bit of oil. you know, the lower part is fried, we need to flip it like a pancake. But the pancake is much smaller in size, so it becomes difficult. So many people, what they do is that they do something like this and it gets flipped. I can't do that, I'm not much of an experience, and if I do this, it's actually like goes somewhere in my head. So we'll use another trick. Easy peasy. The best part of this recipe is that you need basically 3 ingredients: eggs, any sort of noodles, and oil. Other than that, everything, whatever you have, you can add. If you don't have, just skip it. So it's basically a 3 ingredient recipe. Cheers to the